Hey YouTubers, it's Jimmy Mitchell 24/7. Got a custom restoration Outlaw Porsche. This is for, I call him Utah Mike. He sent me some cars and several times, and I really hadn't returned any fire yet, but this is for him. It's one of the Outlaw Porsches. I did it in the race, the golf racing deco. I based it on the last year's April Fool's treasure hunt, which really wasn't a real car, but I took the wheels from a deco delivery, the Spock delivery, and swapped them right on here, painted it the golf colors, and put some decals on it, personalized a little bit with the Porsche Dickamore Racing USA, and screwed it back together, painted the interior, did some little decals. But that's pretty much it for this custom restoration. Thanks everyone. If you have any questions, let me know.